1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 5, 6, 7, start the basic. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Cross body. 1, 2, back charge. 5, 6, 7. We're going to bring it forward on 1. We're going to scoop both hands on 2, 3. We're going to bring the left arm to our right shoulder. We're going to start turning from left on 5. We're going to flick this hand on 6, 7. Start getting off the slide. So now we're going to start unwinding turn 1 with the left hand. Right hand goes over the head. 1, 2. Left hand goes forward. Right arm goes down. 3. So now on 5, I'm going to start turning to the right in this direction, or as I said, to the side. 5. Now on 6, 7, I want to try and go to the other side of the slot as much as possible as I bring her into right turn. 6, 7. On 1, I'm going to step off the slot and bring her forward with the left hand. 1. So now is when I'm going to switch it to the right hand, go back to back on 2, 3, go to the outside of the wrist. 5, guys, right turn. 6, 7, free spin. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7.
5, 6, 7, start with the basic. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, cross body lean. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. We're going to do a one on our right, forward on 1, turn 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. We're going to do a full turn to the left, right leg on 1, 2, forward on 3, and then we're going to do a right turn right away on 5, 6, 7. We're going to be going around the back. Now we're going to go forward on 1, turn right away on 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Walk the right hand down. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Cross body lean. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7.
What's up, guys? It's Scott from Casa Salsa. Thank you guys so much for watching the video. We hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you click the subscribe button right here so you're able to stay updated with all of our videos to come. And also make sure you check out our website in the description below so you can have more access to exclusive content and even take a live class with us. See you there.